Many dealerships offer factory PPF as a protection package, but the difference is in the details. Coverage is often minimal, the edges remain exposed, and the finish can look obvious on the paint. And in some cases, the material itself is not the highest quality available. That's because dealerships are built to sell vehicles, not to specialize in high-level paint protection. If you really want to protect your car the right way, you can't build on a bad foundation. That's why the first thing we do is remove the old PPF and prepare the surface the right way before installing anything new. Everything starts with the right decontamination process. We begin with a mix of IronX and pH-neutral soap. IronX helps dissolve the iron contamination that sticks to the paint, like brake dust and other embedded particles, while the soap helps lift dust and loose dirt safely from the surface without being too aggressive. This first step is important because we want to break down as much contamination as possible before physically touching the vehicle. That way, we lower the risk of dragging dirt across the paint and creating marks during the wash. After that, we wash the whole vehicle and follow with a clay mitt treatment to remove the remaining bonded particles that normal washing can leave behind. Those tiny contaminants may not always be visible, but they can affect how smooth the surface feels and how clean the final result looks. Then we rinse the entire vehicle and dry it with an air blower. That helps us reduce even more contact with the paint and lowers the chance of adding scratches before the real protection process begins. That's the difference. We don't just clean the car, we prepare it the right way.
The next step is paint correction. And if you're wondering why we do paint correction on a brand new vehicle, our favorite quote says it best. Brand new does not always mean perfect. That doesn't mean the paint is in bad condition, but this vehicle is about to be sealed with PPF and ceramic coating. So this is the moment to refine it. We do a light paint correction to remove any small marks, light scratches, or haze the vehicle may have picked up during transportation, or even in its first few miles on the road. The goal is simple. Make sure the surface looks as clean and crisp as possible before the protection goes on. Because once the film and coating are installed, whatever is underneath becomes part of the final result. Now we move into customizing the PPF patterns. And this step is extremely important. This is where we modify the patterns to maximize protection, improve the fit, and make sure the wrap is done the right way. By adjusting the patterns, we can wrap edges more completely, extend coverage where it matters, and achieve a cleaner, more seamless installation. We also modify certain sections so they can be installed in one piece whenever possible, instead of using relief cuts that can leave more visible lines. That's what helps the film look more invisible on the paint and gives the vehicle a much more refined final result. Here we are installing the PPF, and this vehicle is getting our Level 1 package. That means the hood is partial, but we offer between 18 and 24 inches of coverage. That's basically double, and sometimes even triple the coverage you usually see with a standard factory partial package. And no matter the level of PPF, our installation standard stays the same. We always focus on wrapping edges whenever possible and delivering a clean, seamless finish. Because even with partial coverage, the goal is still to make the protection look refined, smooth, and as invisible as possible. And if you're wondering about the bumper protection, here's the good news. It's not partial coverage, it's full coverage. Whether the bumper is done in one piece, two pieces, or even three pieces, our goal is to protect the entire front bumper, including the lower sections that take the most abuse on the road. That matters because the bumper is one of the most exposed parts of the vehicle when it comes to rock chips, road debris, and daily damage. And even though this is our most affordable package, it still gives you a much higher level of protection than the standard partial options many dealers offer. That's one of the things that separates us from factory-style PPF packages. No matter the vehicle, our goal is always better coverage, better fit, and better real-world protection. This amount of coverage doesn't just separate us from dealer packages, it also separates us from a lot of other shops that offer PPF. We see vehicles every day that come from other installers, and to be honest, many of them still have missing coverage in important areas, especially lower bumper pieces or accent sections that are also exposed to damage.
That's why our approach is different. We look at the full bumper as a real impact zone, not just the easiest sections to cover. Because better coverage means better protection. And that's what makes the difference over time.
The headlights are also fully protected in one piece, and that's important because they're one of the first areas to take rock chip damage. And beyond impact protection, PPF also helps block UV exposure. That means less risk of yellowing, cracking, and discoloration over time, keeping the headlights clearer for longer. For the fenders and fender flares, we matched the line of the partial hood so the coverage flows better and the final look feels much more natural. Instead of cutting the protection in a way that looks disconnected, we keep the design balanced and more aesthetic across the front end. That's really what this package is made for. It covers the areas that take the most abuse in daily driving, so every time you're on the road, you have extra peace of mind.
Now we move to ceramic coating, and this is where protection works in a different way. PPF is made to absorb impact, like rock chips and road debris, while ceramic coating is made to protect the surface from things like UV rays, bird droppings, water spots, road film, and daily contamination. It also adds gloss, depth, and a hydrophobic effect, which means water and dirt slide off much easier. So while PPF protects the high-impact areas from physical damage, ceramic coating helps the whole vehicle stay cleaner, shinier, and easier to maintain. The final touch is window tint. And on a vehicle like this, it brings a more refined kind of protection. It instantly sharpens the look, but the real value is in what it does every day. A premium Lumar film blocks more than 99% of harmful UV rays, helping protect your skin while also preserving the interior from fading, drying, and aging too quickly. It also helps reduce glare and improve comfort behind the wheel, especially on long drives and during bright summer days. And that's why choosing the right dealer matters just as much as choosing the film itself. Lumar's Formula One line is offered through its Select Pro network, which Lumar positions as an elite group focused on expert installation and premium results. So when you choose Xtreme, you're not just choosing window tint. You're choosing a premium film, a cleaner finish, and long-term confidence backed by transferable, lifetime limited warranty coverage. That's the kind of upgrade you feel every time you drive the vehicle. And here is the final result. A Jeep Grand Cherokee protected the right way with Level 1 PPF, ceramic coating, and premium window tint. A package designed to protect the vehicle where it matters most, while also making it easier to maintain and more comfortable to drive every day. And this is where the real difference shows. A lot of dealer-style protection packages give you minimal coverage, short patterns, and exposed edges that make the protection obvious and limited. At Xtreme, we approach it differently. We focus on better fit, better coverage, and a cleaner finish that looks more refined and protects the vehicle in a more complete way. That's why you choose Xtreme, not just for the services themselves, but for the standard behind them. Because real protection is not just something you add to a car, it's something you install the right way from the start.